Keto Buffalo Chicken Casserole, or one of the hundreds of things you can do with rotisserie chicken. Hi, I'm REDHOT. My blog is TwoSleevers.com, and today we're going to make a Keto Buffalo Chicken Casserole for dinner. And here's my dog. She wants some chicken. Can you hear her? My God, she sounds like a horse just walked in here. Hi, Gracie. Sit down. Settle down. So start with some chicken. Ideally, you'll chop it into bite-sized pieces. You don't have to. To this, we're gonna add about 1/4 cup of cream to wet it, and to add a little fat to our keto. I'm adding about 1/4 cup of Frank's hot sauce. Now you can add more or less depending on what it is your family likes. To this, I'm going to add some cream cheese. This cream cheese, when it melts, is gonna give it a lovely creamy consistency. I'm gonna add a little bit of onion, and I'm going to add some blue cheese, about 1/4 cup of crumbled blue cheese. I'm not gonna add any salt because there was so much salt in everything else, but I'm gonna put in a little bit of pepper just for flavor. Let's mix this and see what it looks like. So this cream cheese I had cubed, so just make sure the cream cheese is spread all over. Okay, now everything in here is already cooked, right? The chicken is cooked, and you know, other than that, you've got chicken and sauces, you've got cheeses, etc. So this is actually a good time to taste a little. Perfect. If you were gonna add a little hot sauce, this would be the time to do it. This is about a 9-inch container. You can use an 8x8 baking pan. My oven has been preheating to about 400. There's no need for me to cook this slowly on 350 or whatever, just because the meat's already cooked. Now you can do this in a microwave. You can do this in an air fryer. If you're doing it in an air fryer, just give it a 375 for about 10 minutes. You'll need a different pan. I'm putting this in at 400 for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna check on it. While it's baking, I'm gonna cut up some celery sticks for dipping. Now because that casserole is gonna be so filling, I'm accounting for about 1 stick of celery per person, but you know your own appetite and your family's appetite better than I do, so you do how many ever sticks you want. The celery is so low in carbs, it's really not gonna make a difference. Okay, now here's a handy little tip for you. What you can do is you can get all of the chicken and the sauces and the cheeses mixed up, and you can put it in the fridge the night before if you'd like, or if you're doing this for a party, do it before. And then you can cut up the celery, put it in a glass like this, fill the glass with a little bit of water, put some plastic wrap on it, and just set it in the fridge. And then when you're ready, take the plastic wrap off, drain it, and your celery is gonna be crisp and it's gonna be ready to go. Okay, what I wanna do at this point is I wanna mix this. You see how yummy it is. Now if you wanna add sliced green onions, this would be a time to do it. We are going to spread this, and when it's time, you get out one of your little celeries. It is the perfect mixture of spicy and creamy. And it's fast. It's a great way to use up rotisserie chicken. The one thing that I think I want to do is I want to take a little more hot sauce and drizzle it across the top. Now, as I mentioned earlier, if you want this even faster, just microwave it. Everything is cooked. All you want is for the cheese to melt. And then sprinkle it with green onions and a little more hot sauce, and there you are. It's a Keto Buffalo Chicken Casserole in under 30 minutes. I'm REDHOT. My blog is TwoSleevers.com. I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.